Ever wonder why meditation feels so hard when everyone says it's simple? You sit down, close your eyes, and your brain just won't shut up. Thoughts, to-do lists, random memories. Everything rushes in at once. You start wondering, am I even doing this right? Well, in the next few minutes, you'll finally get a clear, simple path. No incense, no complicated poses, just real, practical meditation. Anyone can start today. Let's break it down step by step. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to meditate like it was built for you. So first, where should you actually meditate? People say you can meditate anywhere, and that's technically true. But when you're just starting out, the quieter, the better. Find a spot where the world can't interrupt you, maybe your bedroom before anyone wakes up, your parked car, a cozy corner of the library, or even under a tree in a calm forest. The goal isn't perfection, it's peace. You want a space that feels still enough for your mind to relax. Now, how long should you meditate? Forget those hour-long guru sessions. Start small. 5 to 10 minutes is perfect. But here's the trick. Set a timer, otherwise you'll spend your entire session thinking, has it been 10 minutes yet? And that defeats the whole purpose. The goal is to stop worrying about time and simply be. And remember, quality always beats quantity. If you can stay completely present for just 10 seconds, truly aware, truly still, that's more powerful than sitting half distracted for 10 whole minutes. It's not about how long you meditate. It's about how deeply you connect with the moment. Now let's talk about your body, because how you sit can make or break your focus. Some people say you should never lie down while meditating, but honestly, that depends on your purpose. If you're meditating at night to fall asleep, lying down is totally fine, but in the morning, when your goal is clarity and energy, sitting upright is the way to go. It keeps you awake and alert. So here's what I recommend for beginners. Sit in a comfortable chair, close your eyes, keep your head straight, your back tall, and your feet flat on the ground. Let your hands rest gently on your legs. No tension, no stiffness. You've probably seen monks sitting cross-legged with their feet facing upward. That's the classic meditation posture, and yes, it's powerful. But if it feels uncomfortable or forces your body to strain, skip it for now. Start simple, sit normally, or cross your legs loosely. Meditation isn't about looking perfect. It's about feeling present. Once it becomes a daily rhythm, once your body and mind begin to sync, then you can experiment with the traditional monk posture. The key rule? Comfort creates consistency. If your body feels at ease, your mind will follow. Here's a question every beginner asks, should I listen to music while meditating? The short answer, it's completely up to you. Some people find silence calming. Others feel more focused with soft background sounds, guiding their mind. If you're just starting out, try something gentle, maybe a slow piano melody. Or nature sounds like rain, wind, or ocean waves. Anything that makes your body relax and your thoughts slow down. Personally, I like using an app called Relaxing Melodies. And no, this isn't sponsored. There's a track called Eternity that instantly settles my mind, but again, that's just what works for me. You might discover that silence is your best teacher. Meditation is about awareness, so pay attention to what your mind prefers. Does it expand in stillness, or does it open up when there's soft sound in the background? There's no right or wrong answer here. The best kind of meditation is the one you'll actually do. All right, now for the heart of meditation. What should you actually do once you close your eyes? There are hundreds of techniques out there, but if you're a beginner, start with mindfulness meditation, one of the simplest yet most powerful forms on earth. Here's how it works. When you sit down, bring all your attention to one thing, your breath. Breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. Don't force it, just notice it. Feel the air brushing past your nostrils, filling your lungs, expanding your chest. Notice the tiny pause between each inhale and exhale. That awareness, that single moment of pure focus, is where the magic begins. Because when you give your full attention to breathing, something incredible happens. Your brain starts to quiet down, thoughts fade, stress melts, and for a few rare seconds, it's just you, alive, present still. Now don't panic when your mind wanders. Everyone thinks too much at first. You'll get itchy, distracted, bored. That's all part of it. Even after years of practice, those thoughts still sneak in. The trick isn't to fight them, just notice them, and then bring your attention gently back to your breath, again and again. That gentle return is the practice. That's how your mind learns to focus, one breath at a time. And if your thoughts still feel too loud, try this little hack. When you breathe in through your nose, let your belly rise, like you're filling it with air. Then exhale slowly, letting it sink. This belly breathing technique naturally calms your nervous system. It sounds almost too simple, but it's unbelievably effective. Try it for a few minutes and you'll feel the difference, not just while meditating, but throughout your entire day. So now you know how to meditate. But here's the real challenge. How do you make it stick? See, meditation only transforms your life if you actually do it every day. And the easiest way to build that consistency is through something called a habit trigger. A small cue that reminds your brain, hey, it's time to meditate. Here's how it works. Think about something you already do every day, like taking a shower, brushing your teeth, or drinking your morning coffee. Now, attach meditation to one of those routines. For example, you could say, after my shower, I meditate, or no coffee until I've meditated. Over time, your brain links the two actions together. So every time you step out of the shower, your mind automatically thinks, meditation time. You can even make it visual. Place a sticky note on your mirror or a sign by your door that says, don't leave the house until you've meditated. It sounds silly, but these little reminders can completely change your discipline. Because once meditation becomes part of your routine, as automatic as checking your phone, that's when it stops feeling like an effort and starts feeling like a reset button for your life.